The iPhone 15 Pro Max is one of the best smartphones on the market, but 6 months after its release, how has Apple's most advanced smartphone held up? Is it still worth the investment, or is it time to look at other options? With its sleek and modern aesthetics, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out among the very best designed smartphones. The introduction of titanium sides this year adds a premium touch, elevating the device's overall look and feel. Personally, I've been using the blue titanium variant, appreciating its subtle elegance. However, after seeing the natural and white titanium variants more and more in person, it's hard to deny how nice these finishes are. Part of me regrets not going for the light colour this year, but Apple's new blue finish is still extremely nice in person. The seamless integration of glass and metal creates a clean finish and ergonomic design, making the phone extremely comfortable to hold and use. Moreover, the device's much lighter feel compared to its predecessors enhance the user experience, making prolonged usage more enjoyable. This is particularly helpful when using the Pro Max. Apple's Max iPhones have always been extremely heavy devices, but this year Apple have found the perfect balance. The device is light, but not so light that it feels cheap in the hand. Despite initial concerns about its durability, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has proven to be a sturdy companion. There was talk about this iteration possibly lacking in robustness, but my personal experience speaks otherwise. I've used my iPhone without a case from day one and subjected it to numerous accidental drops, both indoors and outside. Whilst yes, the phone is scuffed in areas, the glass is still in one piece both on the front and back of the phone. I feel like a lighter titanium colour would have done a better job at hiding the scuffs, as it is very clear where the blue coating has come off my iPhone, but aside from that, this device has truly stood the test of everyday use, proving durability is a non-issue. This really is a testament to Apple's dedication to quality engineering and materials, so for those worried about its durability, rest assured the iPhone 15 Pro Max will certainly hold its ground. Now let's delve into the camera capabilities of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This device boasts a sophisticated triple camera system comprising a wide, ultra-wide and telephoto lens. The primary wide lens, equipped with a larger sensor and optical image stabilization, delivers stunning clarity and detail in every shot, even in low light conditions. The ultra-wide lens expands your perspective, capturing expansive landscapes and immersive scenes with precision. Lastly, the telephoto lens enables up to 5x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to the action without compromising quality. With advanced computational photography features and AI enhancements, the iPhone 15 Pro Max pushes the boundaries of mobile photography, empowering users to capture breathtaking moments effortlessly. The camera is undeniably the cornerstone of my smartphone experience, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera system has consistently impressed me. The images and videos captured by this device are nothing short of amazing. While camera preferences can vary from person to person, I have yet to encounter a camera system that I prefer over this one. The level of detail, colour accuracy and dynamic range achieved by the iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera system is unparalleled in my experience. Whether it's capturing vibrant landscapes or taking a quick picture indoors, the device excels in every scenario, reaffirming my choice to stick with the iPhone for its incredible photography capabilities. For the past few weeks, I have been carrying around both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung's new S24 Ultra, trying to decide which device is best for me. When comparing these two flagship devices, it's very clear that the user experience is what truly sets them apart. The iPhone 15 Pro Max running iOS 17 offers a distinct and seamless experience tailored to Apple's ecosystem. For users deeply invested in this ecosystem like myself, transitioning away from iOS can be extremely difficult. The seamless integration and continuity that Apple offer across their devices is unparalleled. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may offer an impressive feature set, the decision to switch becomes a lot more complex when considering its potential impact on my entire workflow. Ultimately, the choice between these devices goes way beyond just hardware specs and features. It's about the ecosystem and user experience that aligns best with your own personal preferences and needs. One aspect of the iPhone experience that has consistently stood out for me over the past 6 months is its impressive battery life. The Pro Max in particular excels in this department, offering reliable all-day usage on a single charge. This longevity is crucial for users who rely heavily on their smartphone throughout the day. Another notable aspect of the iPhone experience is the performance of third-party apps. This is something I have appreciated a lot more since using the S24 Ultra alongside my iPhone. In my experience, many third-party apps, especially social media applications, tend to run smoother and more efficiently on iOS compared to Android. This could be attributed to the tight integration between hardware and software in Apple's ecosystem. However, in 2024, we should definitely be at a point where we see a greater push towards optimizing apps for flagship Android devices. It's disappointing to see Samsung's efforts go unnoticed despite their commitment to delivering top-notch smartphones. Their flagship devices boast some of the best hardware and an extensive feature set, yet they're still being let down by the poor optimization of third-party apps. It's a real shame to see the disparity between the impressive capabilities of the S24 Ultra and the lackluster performance of certain applications running on the device itself. Moving forward, I really think it's crucial for both Samsung and app developers to collaborate more closely to ensure that flagship Android devices like the S24 Ultra receive the optimization they deserve. Until that time, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still keeps its position for those looking for the best experience no matter what app you're in. Those of you who consistently use applications like Snapchat or Instagram should definitely stick to iOS for now. So, after 6 months with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is it time to switch things up? As someone consistently striving to enhance the quality of my reviews, the prospect of integrating both iPhones and Android devices into my workflow is essential. However, transitioning away from iOS entirely would significantly impact my productivity, especially considering that I manage my entire channel from a Mac. Features like AirDrop, iMessage and iCloud play a pivotal role in streamlining my editing process, making tasks incredibly efficient. Therefore, for the time being, a complete switch to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra seems impractical. However, I'm increasingly drawn to the S24 Ultra's impressive capabilities, indicating its undeniable appeal. I have been carrying the phone with me everywhere I go, and for the most part, I am using it more than my iPhone. My ideal setup might involve incorporating the new iPhone SE to retain access to Apple's services while utilizing the S24 Ultra as my primary daily driver. This balanced approach allows me to leverage the strengths of both ecosystems, ultimately enhancing my overall productivity and experience. For now, I have no intention of getting rid of my iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, there may be another iPhone arriving in the studio very soon, so if you're interested in seeing which one, then get subscribed. In conclusion, 6 months into its release, the iPhone 15 Pro Max continues to impress me in various aspects. Its durability, sleek design and remarkable camera system make it a formidable contender in the smartphone market. I cannot emphasize enough how much I love the camera system on this device. It consistently delivers stunning photos and videos that surpass my expectations. However, despite the allure of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's superior hardware and feature set, I find myself carrying both phones wherever I go. The seamless integration within Apple's ecosystem and the flawless performance of third-party apps on iOS are compelling reasons for this dual device approach. If you are someone just considering buying an iPhone 15, I wholeheartedly recommend it. It's an amazing device that can still compete with the very best in the market, offering a user experience that is second to none. With the iPhone 16 still 6 months away, I feel like those of you looking to upgrade now should definitely still go for it. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see my full in-depth review of the S24 Ultra as soon as it drops. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.